How to deactivate Messenger account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Messenger. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to deactivate. Once you are in here, tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen, and then click on this gear icon. Scroll down and click on See More in Account Center. Head over to Personal Details. Now proceed to Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion, and then click on your account. Select Deactivate Account and then click on Continue. Once again, click on Continue. Now you have to enter the password of your specific account. But first thing you should know that by entering the password, it will not only deactivate your Messenger account, but also your Facebook account. So you should be aware that your Facebook account will also be deactivated and not only your Messenger. So if you are ready to deactivate both of your account, enter the password and then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, your account will be deactivated successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can deactivate your Messenger account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.